So I thought I would share with you how I got started as a freelancer on Fiverr. I am an actor, I've taken a lot of training, and it's not easy to get acting jobs. So I was kind of looking around for something to do in between auditioning all the time and not booking the jobs. And I found, and it was also the end of COVID. You can hear the geese behind me, but I found voiceover acting. So I kind of started down that path. Bought myself some basic equipment, and it was cost me about $200 to get everything I needed to get up and running. Found a closet, because that's what they say when you're starting. And I did a couple of audiobooks, which I found is not my thing because I don't like to sit and read out loud for a long time, but some people do really well, and you can make a lot of money doing it if it's something you love. So by all means, try audiobooks. Then I started going into some other voiceover, ended up getting a couple of jobs doing like YouTube voiceovers. I did get a couple of corporate jobs, but I found for me, I felt like my voice, this is just me saying about myself, like I didn't have anything special to my voice. I have a very kind of neutral accent, so I just felt like it was very flooded for what I was trying to do. So somewhere I saw video and I kind of went, wait, I love to be in front of the camera. So I started researching people that were doing video spokesperson. And when I first started looking, I was thinking, I can't do that. I'm not like an e-learning kind of person. I don't really have a screen. But then I saw one person that did it with her iPhone. And I went, I can do that. So I literally picked up my camera just like this with no lighting but outdoor lighting, no special equipment, anything. And I put up a gig on Fiverr just saying, hey, if you're looking for an authentic spokesperson, I can help. And I started getting orders, and I started getting more orders. And then I started having to learn a bit more. Ended up getting like a little app on my phone to help me read the script, because the more orders you get in a day, you've got to learn a lot. And I was trying to memorize them. Don't do that. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you though, because so I started, let me just back up for a second. I started on Fiverr in September of 2021. I made $400 between September and December 31st voiceover. January, I made about $700, so strict voiceover. Then February, I started video spokesperson, and I just cleared, it's May 4th today of 2022, and I just cleared $10,000. So it really can work. And guys, it's so simple. So if you want help, feel free to reach out. I'm thinking of starting a course, I haven't yet, but just to help, because it's really not that hard. And I can help you just be authentic and genuine. And now as I'm going along, I'm starting to add a little bit more like e-learning kind of things, but you don't need to. You can start with a basic video outside in the beautiful day. So go for it. There's lots of companies and businesses looking for that authentic, genuine person to bring life to their product or service. So yeah, reach out. Talk soon.